Good morning, students. In yesterday's video, I have explained you the exercises of lesson 2 kinds of sentences based on imperative and interrogative sentences. I hope you all have completed those exercises in your fair copy. Today, I am going to explain you the exercises of lesson 2 kinds of sentences based on exclamatory and negative sentences. Clear? These exercises, I think you all have completed exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. Now, today we will start from exercise D. Clear? Now come to the exercise D. These exercises are in your language book, page number 12. Clear? Okay. First, see the date. Today is 7 May 2020. 7th May 2020. Clear? Now, come to the exercise. Provide exclamatory reactions to these sentences. In this exercise, you have to show exclamatory sentences. As I have explained you earlier, what is exclamatory sentence? These sentences express strong feelings. The feelings may be of joy, sorrow, wonder, etc. Okay? All these sentences end with the sign of exclamation. Clear? Sometimes the exclamation marks come in the place of interjection. Clear? Now, come to the exercise. In this exercise, you have to show the exclamatory reactions only. What will you show when you saw the Qutub Minar for the first time? What will be your reaction? Oh, what a tall building. Clear? Now come to the second. When you saw the sea for the first time, your reaction will be wow. It is a huge water body. As wow is an interjection, you should place exclamation mark here. Clear? Third, when the picture fell on your head off the wall, ouch, I hurt my head. Now come to the fourth sentence. When India won the Cricket World Cup, what will be your reaction? Hooray! India won the Cricket World Cup. After this interjection, you should show this sign, exclamation sign. When your friend's grandmother passed away. This is the exclamatory sentence of sadness. Alas, grandmother has passed away. You should do this exercise in your copy neatly. Clear? As I have done in my copy. Now come to the exercise E. In this exercise, you have to change the following sentences into negative. I think you all know what is negative sentences. Negative sentences express negation of everything. Negation means no, never, not. Clear? First sentence is pigeon is the bird that has a healthy body. You should change this sentence into negative sentence. Pigeon is not the bird that has a healthy body. Clear? Now come to the second sentence. My watch has been out of order for many days. My watch has not been out of order for many days. Clear? Come to the third sentence. Will you join us on our mission? Will you not join us on our mission? Question mark. Clear? Now, come to the fourth sentence. People should place their motherland above their personal benefit. You should make this sentence into negative. People should not place their motherland above their personal benefit. You should add not here. Clear? Come and join us in the play. Never come and join us in the play. Next sentence, I like to read science book. I do not like to read science book. Full stop. Dogs like to chase cats. Dogs do not like to chase cats. Sentence 8. He makes model from clay. He does not make model from clay. In this way, I have completed this exercise of negative sentences. Clear, students? Now, come to the exercise F. In this exercise, you have given many kinds of sentences which you have to match correctly. Clear? Now, match both the columns correctly. First sentence, who has cheated you knowingly? Who has matched with cheated you knowingly? And this sentence is a interrogative sentence. Clear? Second is, she will not reach here tomorrow afternoon. Not shows the negative sentence. Purushnis play tennis with me in the evening. This sentence is affirmative assertive sentence. Clear? Now come to the fourth sentence. Why don't you buy your own pen? This is interrogative sentence. Why don't you buy? Negative sentence. Why do not? Not है ना इसलिए. Number 5. Abhishek lent me his car for one day. It is affirmative sentence, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, affirmative sentence is mostly same. Get my letter posted. This is an imperative sentence. What a lovely sight. This is a kind of exclamatory sentence. Clear, students? You have to complete exercise D, E, F. Exercise D, E and F. You have to complete these three exercises in your copy. You have to match it correctly. Okay? This is all for today. Thank you, students.